Plasma Cutting with Billy.
Hey, do you like stuff? I got stuff, but look, I've got too much stuff. Like, look at this. Look at this string, right? Like, I can't use the string. There's just too much. There's too much string. Like, it gets everywhere, doesn't it? Like, you know, what? How is this a manageable amount of string? I'll tell you how to manage the string. What you have got to do, there you go, is cut it up. String. Well, this isn't working, is it? I'll tell you how to make it work. You need one of these bad boys. What's this called? Plasma globe, right? Wrong! You're wrong! I know where you are. I'll show you how you can be right. You've got to cut the string with a plasma cutter. Notice the top of this. See what I've done? I've duct taped some solder to the top of the globe. It will cut stuff with plasma. It doesn't untangle string there, you got to do that manually. Let's give it a flick on. Turn it on. If you're trying to cut the string, what you first got to do is secure it. Now you got to use said knife, right? And you got to use the plasma arc it creates on the top of the solder. So you can use the knife to cut away the string. And this might take about 5 minutes. I'm going to need to see the opticians after this. Oh, I've done it! I've done it! I did it! What once was an unmanageable amount of string just got turned into this. I'll show you some of its utilities. You can use it to tie stuff and then pull one end of the string and pull stuff with it. I just closed that door automatically. Wow! Yeah, that's more efficient. Some of you guys might be saying that you could have just cut the string with a pair of scissors. Like this, like. Doesn't even work. Useless. With this and that, you can create your very own plasma cutter, and you can cut your own pieces of string without having to use scissors. Imagine the possibilities. It's just the best thing since sliced bread. In fact, I'd say it's the best thing since bread at all, regardless of whether or not it's sliced. Anyway, that's Billy Wild signing off. Thanks for watching the video. It's been nice having you here. I hope you're not here. I hope you're not hiding under my bed.
Plasma Cutting with Billy.